चलिए स्टूडेंट्स, now solve some questions of quadratic equation. We have to solve this question and find the value of x. Since we know that there is a formula a square minus b square is a plus b, a minus b. So we will apply this formula. So here is x square, and we can write 2 square is equal to 0. Okay, so x plus 2 and x minus 2 is equal to 0. So that is x plus 2 is equal to 0 and x minus 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 2 and x equal to plus 2. So we have the value of x is minus 2 and 2. That is answer. Note down. Now next question. In this equation we will get common x, and x plus 3 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0 and x 0. So x equal to 0. So x equal to minus 3. So we have two values, first one 0 and that is answer. Now we can write this equation like this: 6 plus 3 into x plus 18 is equal to 0. So x square minus 6x minus 3x plus 18 is equal to 0. So what we will take x common, that is x minus 6, and here is 3. X minus 6 is equal to 0. So x minus 6 is a common, so we take x minus 6 and x minus 3 0. So x minus 6 equal to 0 and x minus 3 is equal to 0. So x equal to 6 and x equal to 3. So then we have value of x is 6 comma 3. That is your answer. Now next question. We can write this question like this: 3x square minus 10 minus 3x minus 3, x minus 10 equal to 0. Square, and that is minus 10x and plus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. So that is 3x square plus 3x minus 10x, 10 equal to 0. So we will take 3x common, x plus 1 and 10 x plus 1 0. So now x plus 1 is common, so x plus 1, 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. So we have x plus 1 equal to 0, 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. So x equal to minus 1 and 3x equal to 10. So x equal to 10 by 3 and minus 1. That is answer. अब देखिए क्या करेंगे. दिस इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. We will multiply by 8 in both sides. So what we will get? We will get that is 8x square, that is 22x, and that is 15 is equal to 0. So we can write this equation like this: 8x square 12 plus 10 x plus 15. आप लोगों को पता होगा इसको कैसे करते हैं. चलिए एक बता देते हैं. देखिए इसको हम क्या करते हैं, इनको मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. ठीक है, तो 15 इंटू 8, ठीक, तो कितना आ जाएगा? दैट इज 120. और 120 को ऐसे हम फैक्टर बनाते हैं कि उनका जो सम हो क्या हो, 22 है. ठीक है, तो 12 और 10 को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 120 आएगा, और इनको सम करेंगे 12 प्लस 10 को तो आपको मिलेगा 22. ओके, सो यही मैंने किया है. सो 8x स्क्वायर 12x 10x plus 15 is equal to 0. So here we will take 4x common, that is 2x, that is 3, that is 3, and here we will get 5 common, that is 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. As you see, this is 2x minus 3 is a common, so we will write 2x minus 3, and that is 4 minus 5 is equal to 0. So 2x minus 3 equal to 0, 4x minus 5 is equal to 0. So 2x equal to 3, so x equal to 3 by 2. 4x equal to 5, so x equal to 5 by 4. So 3 by 2 and 5 by 4. Answer. Now next question. ए बी स्क्वायर, ए बी एक्स स्क्वायर। नाउ इससे हम मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे तो बी स्क्वायर एक्स ए सी एक्स माइनस बी सी इज इक्वल टू 0। सो यहाँ से हमको क्या मिलेगा, बी एक्स इज कॉमन, तो बी एक्स कॉमन, तो यहाँ से बी एक्स कॉमन ले लिया हमने, तो यहाँ बनेगा आपका ए एक्स प्लस बी एंड यहाँ आपको क्या मिलेगा, माइनस कॉमन ले लेंगे हम, क्या सी। सो हो जाएगा आपका ए एक्स प्लस बी इज इक्वल टू 0। सो ए एक्स प्लस बी इज कॉमन, सो ए एक्स प्लस बी and bx minus c is equal to 0. So ax plus b is equal to 0 and bx minus c is equal to 0. So ax equal to minus b. So x equal to minus b by a and bx equal to c. So x equal to c by b. So we have x equal to c by b and b by a.